ServSafe Manager practice test en Español Quizlet. Question 1. A failure in safe temperature for duck can lead to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Duck and wild game require 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 2. When monitoring MSDS purpose, one must look for inventory lists, chemical safety info, work schedules, food recipes. Material safety data sheets, now SDS, provide chemical safety details. Question 3. Which detail is essential for thawing food safely? Under the sun, on the counter, in warm water, in the refrigerator. Safe methods include refrigeration, running water, microwave, or cooking. Question 4. What is the requirement for FIFO stands for? First in, first out, fast in, fast out, first inventory, first order, food in, food out. FIFO ensures older stock is used first. Question 5. What is the best practice for jewelry allowed for food handlers? Bracelet, necklace, plain band ring, watch. Only a plain band ring is typically permitted on hands/arms. Question 6. In a HACCP plan, glove changing frequency might be once a day, every hour, when they get wet, every 4 hours. Gloves must be changed every 4 hours during constant use. Question 7. Identify the correct statement about cooking temperature for poultry. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. Poultry must reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit to kill salmonella. Question 8. The primary concern with condition for bacterial growth is moisture, high acidity, cold temperature, low protein. Bacteria need moisture, water activity, to grow. Question 9. The primary concern with safe temperature for lamb chops is 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Lamb chops require 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 10. What is the best practice for backflow prevention device? Pump, water heater, filter, vacuum breaker. Vacuum breakers prevent backsiphonage. Question 11. Which of these is prohibited regarding glove changing frequency? Once a day, every 4 hours, every hour, when they get wet. Gloves must be changed every 4 hours during constant use. Question 12. Which detail is essential for Campylobacter jejuni? Virus, parasite, bacteria in poultry, toxin. Campylobacter is a common cause of diarrhea from poultry. Question 13. Which of these is prohibited regarding Clostridium perfringens? Virus, chemical, bacteria in stews/gravies, parasite. This bacteria grows in large quantities of food. Question 14. A food safety manager must remember that non-typhoidal salmonella sources: farm animals, cats, wild birds, flies. Farm animals carry non-typhoidal salmonella. Question 15. To prevent illness, common food allergen must be beef, milk, chicken, pork. Milk is one of the big 9 allergens. Question 16. Under ServSafe guidelines, HACCP Principle 5 is record, verify, monitor, identify corrective actions. Step 5 is corrective actions. Question 17. What is the best practice for high-risk population? Elderly people, teenagers, professional athletes, healthy adults. High-risk groups, elderly, preschool children, compromised immune systems. Question 18. Effective management of maximum water temp for thawing requires 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. Running water for thawing must be 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Question 19. Under ServSafe guidelines, cross-contact definition is allergens touching other food, physical hazards in food, bacteria touching food, chemicals in food. Cross-contact specifically refers to the transfer of allergens. Question 20. Which is a key component of HACCP Principle 1? Monitor, determine CCPs, establish limits, conduct a hazard analysis. The first step of HACCP is hazard analysis.